Hello kids, welcome to London Kids International Preschool, Palikanai. Today in this video, we are going to learn about phonics, I sound word families. Let us see. First, I B it word family. I B I E B B Ib. Let us see some examples of ib word family. B ib bib. R ib rib. F ib fib. N ib nib. S ib sip. Next word family. I N in. I E N in. Let us see some examples of in word family. P in pin. B in